I'm Jeannie, and this is the Graffiti Splashed in Blue Bar Mitzvah imitation from invitationsforless.com. This stylish invitation is digitally printed on 130-pound matte cardstock and features a dark blue background with the Star of David in bright and colorful splashes to the right of your wording details. The Star of David design wraps around to the reverse side for added interest. This invitation measures 5 inches wide by 7 inches high. The coordinating reception and response enclosures will print on matching single cardstock. The thank you notes will print on folder stock. This bar mitzvah invitation comes with single bright white envelopes. We've added the optional return address on the back flap. And as an upgrade, you may ask for red envelopes, which will coordinate beautifully with this invitation. And we can even do the guest addressing on the front for you. This exclusive invitation may only be purchased at invitationsforless.com.